Look at this, Jack. Our dude is fixing the track. Jackie, that's the second train in 10 minutes here. I wish you were with me, buddy. I know you're having fun, but he's fixing the gate when that train went by because the gate needs to be replaced. He's really nice. I just talked to him. That is crazy. Todd was right by the track when the train went by. What a beautiful day. Perfect day to train hunts, huh? It's a long train. I'm gonna pause it. Here's your FedEx. Multimodal. Still going. This train has been here for at least 10 minutes so far. I'm waiting because 2 engines on this long of a train's got to be having something pull up the rear. Nope. There's the end. There she goes.